All right, it is time to talk about American symbols. Okay, so I want you to find one thing, if you can remember our classroom, find one thing in our classroom that stood for something, kind of like a symbol. Yeah, if you looked around the classroom, you would notice that we all had our flag, and you'll recall from our previous social studies lesson that the flag is a symbol. Okay, let's talk about why symbols are important. Our country has many symbols. A symbol stands for a shared idea. Our country's symbols connect us to each other. They connect us to our country's past. The symbol of Uncle Sam is more than 150 years old. Okay, this would be the symbol of Uncle Sam. A lot of you have probably seen like maybe an older man with like a big white beard, and he's wearing a hat like this. He's dressed in all these stars and stripes. Okay, they usually call him Uncle Sam. All right, and he's a symbol for our country. Now it wants us to underline the reasons symbols are important. Okay, so why are they important? Because they connect us to our country's past. Okay, what else does it do? It also connects us to each other. Okay, so if we have a common symbol, just like if you were driving down the road and you saw somebody waving a flag, you know that they're just being proud of their country, okay, because it stands for something. All right, let's go ahead and look up here. We have our national bird. Animals can be symbols. The bald eagle is America's national bird. National means something belonging to a nation. The bald eagle is an emblem or symbol of freedom. The bald eagle shows that America is strong. It is on our money. The eagle is also part of our nation's seal or stamp. Okay, so you've seen this be represented for our country a lot. Okay, and you'll see this on our money as well. All right, it wants us to use evidence from the text to fill in this blank. The bald eagle is on our nation's seal and our what? What is it on? It's on our nation's seal and what else? Yes, it's on our money. Okay, we're going to fill in the blank here with money. Okay, it is on both our money and the seal. And remember, seal and stamp, those are the same thing. So when it's asking here for the nation's seal and something else, it wants something different, not just another word that means the same. Okay, so it is also on our money. Go ahead and turn the page. All right, the Statue of Liberty. Gifts can become symbols. In 1885, the people of France gave Americans a gift. It was a copper statue more than 150 feet tall. Today, the Statue of Liberty is a famous landmark in New York Harbor. A landmark is a famous thing that is well known. The statue symbolizes freedom. And this is an interesting fact. So remember up here, I just read that it was made of copper. So this is something that many people don't know. This Statue of Liberty was made from the same stuff that pennies are made of. So if you look at the surface of a penny, what color is it? It's kind of like an orangish brown, right? Well, look at the Statue of Liberty. She's kind of like a whitish green kind of a hue color. All right? Well, what happens is science happens. Over time, by being placed there, it ended up getting what's called a patina on it. So if you have extra time, ask your parents to look up what the Statue of Liberty looked like when it was first given, so you can see what it looked like when it was copper. It's an interesting thing to look at. All right. Okay, so let's look in here. It says a reading check. Circle the torch in the Statue of Liberty's hand. Okay, so let's go ahead and circle the torch. We see it right there. How do you think the torch might help boats? How do you think that torch helps boats? Remember, she is placed in the harbor. A harbor is an area where the boats are coming in from the ocean, from the sea. Those boats could have been sailing from another country far away. So how does the torch help boats? You're right, the torch is up really high, and if it's lit, okay, with a bright light, boats from far away can see it, and they know how to navigate or how to drive their boats in order to get here. And she symbolizes freedom because she looks very welcoming as she's holding her rules of justice over here, okay, and telling people to come to our country where they can find freedom. All right, let's look at this one over here, the Golden Gate Bridge. A state landmark can be a national symbol. The Golden Gate Bridge stands for our creativity. People said it was not possible to build a bridge that long. American engineers did not give up. They built a bridge across San Francisco Bay. So this is a good example of not giving up, just like in Willie's story earlier this week. Try and try again. Those American engineers decided they would figure out how to make a long bridge. Okay? All right, let's look at this one. Circle true or false about the following sentence. Symbols connect Americans to our country's past. Is that true or false? Symbols connect Americans to our country's past. Good, that is true. It does. It connects to the past. It also helps us connect to each other. All right, let's fill in this blank. The Statue of Liberty was a gift from... Do you remember who it was from? It was a gift from the people of France. So let's put in the people of France. The people of France. Remember, France is going to be capitalized because it is the proper name of the country. Okay? And we already have a period right there. All right. So think about this, choosing a symbol from this lesson. Actually, I have something a little bit different from you. I have another symbol inside of the packet. But first you're going to watch the next video link that comes right after this one about another symbol. And then you're going to complete a page in your packet about that other symbol that you learn about. Enjoy!